The Japan Open WTA 250 is very challenging for Alex Ayala because she will compete the top players of the tournament. The WTA 250 tournaments are a key part of the WTA ranking system, allowing players to accumulate points that contribute to the overall position. A player rankings based on their best 16 tournament results over a rolling 52 weeks period, and WTA 250 events are counted as best other tournaments to make up this total. Winning a WTA 250 tournament award, the champion 250 ranking points. However, points are distributed to players based on how far they advance in the tournament, not just for winning. Here is a typical points breakdown for singles at a WTA 250 event. The champion, 250 points. The finalist, 163 points. The semi-finalist, 98 points. The quarter finalist, 54 points. Round of 16, 30 points. And round of 32, 1 point. While the point totals are smaller than those offered by a Grand Slam's 2,000 points or WTA 1,000 events 1,000 points, the WTA 250 tournaments are especially important for certain types of players. For lower-ranked players, earning points at these tournaments is crucial for players trying to move up the rankings and gain direct entry into bigger events, avoiding the qualifying rounds. For established players, while top-tier players play fewer WTA 250s, a deep run can serve to replace a poorer result or simply add to their overall points total, helping them defend their ranking. Filling out of ranking total, the determine a single ranking, the WTA uses a player's best results from up to the 16 tournaments, which includes the 4 Grand Slams and mandatory WTA 1000 events. Any remaining slots in the 16 tournaments total can be filled by a player's best other results, which is where WTA 250 points come in.